Using ClickFunnels with Facebook ads is a powerful way to drive traffic and conversions. Here's how to do it. Create a high-converting funnel. Log into your ClickFunnels account and create a funnel targeting your audience's needs, such as a lead generation or sales funnel. Customize pages like landing pages, sales pages, and thank you pages using ClickFunnels drag-and-drop editor. Add a compelling call to action and ensure mobile optimization. Set up Facebook Pixel. Go to your Facebook Ads Manager and copy your Pixel ID from the Events Manager. In ClickFunnels, navigate to your funnel settings and paste the Pixel ID into the head tracking code section. This tracks visitor actions like page views, leads, and purchases. Launch Facebook ad campaigns. In Facebook Ads Manager, create a new campaign targeting specific objectives like conversions or traffic. Use detailed targeting options to reach your ideal audience. Add your ClickFunnels landing page URL as the ads destination. Optimize campaigns. Use Facebook Pixel data to retarget visitors who didn't convert. Test different ad creatives and monitor performance metrics in Ads Manager and ClickFunnels.